Updated ranch home in the Popular Westwood neighborhood. 3-bedroom 2-bath home featuring spacious living room with refinished hardwood flooring throughout, new baseboards throughout, new replacement picture window, fireplace and with French doors that leads to 3-season room. Dining area with new LVP flooring leads to updated eat and kitchen with ceramic tile flooring, tile backsplash, new stainless steel fridge and custom pantry with barn door, light fixture and new sliding door that leads out to spacious backyard deck. 3 spacious bedrooms with all new fans and refinished hardwood. Updated full bath with double vanity, new tub surround and fixtures. Updated half bath with new vanity and fixtures. Spacious full basement with second fireplace. Fenced-in backyard with flower garden area. Further updates includes, new roof February 2026, new gutter guards 2026, furnace and AC new in 2020, new shed 2023, new water heater in 2021 and new screen door 2024. Move-in ready, must see. New roof 2026, warranty transferable to new owner new gutter guard 2026. New recessed light fixture with dimmer switch in living room 2025. New refrigerator 2022. Remodeled both bathroom 2022 including toilet seats, vanity, mirrors, shower, flooring, light fixture, and fan. All new light fixture throughout the house, inside and outside 2022. New remote controlled fan in all bedrooms. New living room window from Blackberry 2022. Hardwood floor oak refinished 2022. All new baseboards. Remolded pantry 2022. New LVP floor and dining area 2022. New screen door 2024. New patio sliding door Blackberry 2024. New closet shelves. New paint inside whole house. New landscape tulip garden planted in front yard 2025. New shed in the backyard 2023. New furnace 2020.